so it's very, very windy. But we have a tree removal we're doing today. This thing is very, very dead. I think it's dying because the flush cut that was made by the fire department. See that stuff whipping in the sun, I mean, whipping in the wind. Look at that, right flush. And I think there might be termites in this thing too.
Pulling them up. I'm gonna tighten this chain up a little bit.
Oh. And then what I do is I take this and I put it up, because obviously you're gonna be putting weight on the bar going that way. Oh yeah, perfect. That's even tighter than I would really have it.
Really?
Yeah, it's a new chain though. So, and then grab the handle and put all the pressure on the nose. That will tighten the chain too. Clone. Oh yeah, perfect. That's even tighter than I would really have it.
Really?
Yeah, it's a new chain though, so it probably still has a little bit of stretch to go. But yeah, that's when you get those sparks and shit.
Loosen it a little bit?
No, I think that's probably fine.
The wind's blowing.
Nice high pour. You guys are gonna laugh, but here's the thing. We're using throw line as a tag line, but I mean, how strong do you need the rope when the wood isn't even strong enough to hold anything? Look. Oh yeah. Yeah. This wind is no joke. What we want to do is we want to take off this leader right here, because that's the one that's pulling it and catching a bunch of wind and making this branch lean over towards the house. It wouldn't hit the house, you know. It just wouldn't. But what we're worried about is it smashing on the ground. Those little dead branches and stuff poking off. He's got a bunch of glass, you know, a bunch of glass right there. So we don't want, right there. So we don't want, holy shit.
It's opening up.
Oh yeah, I see it. Here we go. There it is.
Nice.
I knew it was gonna swing back. So this limb right here was going up here and curved off to the left right here and was going right towards the house. It wasn't going to hit the house, but we didn't want it to smash and have branches hit that glass window right there. And we didn't want to hit this bush. We really didn't want to hit the sago here. We didn't want to use a tag to pull it here. We wanted to try to hit this shot. Between Kyle working the tag line and the cuts that we made, we did get it to fall right in. It actually hit about here and bounced over. So pretty good, pretty good. Kyle's making slingshot cuts.
Why are you gonna look at that?
Huh?
Why are you gonna look at that?
Hey, dude. Look at the wood chips. That's a sharp chain right there. We got one more branch and then we're following it. Ooh, you guys got something on the lens. Oh, yeah. Full house chain, full chisel, round hand file. Look at those chips. Look at that. That's pretty insane. Nice. Do you see how I had it going that way straight?
Yep.
Yeah, that's good. You're working straight. Nice. There you go. That's a good job right there. Nice. That's it. Right. That's a log. And that's pecan. It's hard. And look how naughty and nasty it is. What a beauty. And the tree is gone.